All right, I have a treat for you guys for this video. We have a property, a big property that has a private casita. So as you see, there's gonna be a door on this side and a door on this side of the garage for a large family. Maybe you could use it as a midterm rental, but let's save the best for last. This is our main door. Again, this is the private entry on this side for, say, a rental, or if you have a mother-in-law suite. Here is the main entrance here. So what we have is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Speaking of half, there's our first half bathroom. This is our coat closet, and our entryway is right into this open kitchen. We got our uppers, extra long cabinets, granite countertops, under-mounted sinks, stainless steel appliances, your double oven, refrigerator, stove top, along with the dishwasher here. Huge pantry over here. And this is our dual garage refrigerator. And that door leads to the other side of the so-called mother-in-law suite, casita, additional dwelling unit, whatever you want to call it. That will definitely be a bonus feature for later. We got some nice pendant lights here, along with the recessed lights up top. It's a good amount of natural light coming in currently. Good sized living room. Let's close that door because that will be the treat for the end as far as the private setup. Okay, let's check out the bedrooms first. Very high ceilings here. Okay, and we have our kind of a shared family room here with a coat closet. And it separates our primary bedroom from the second, third area. Primary, this is the secondary bedroom. It's got its own walk-in closet. It's facing the backyard here. Walk-in closet, full shower tub, toilet. And excuse the lighting here if it's a little dim. This is the only one I didn't get figured out. It does have, all the rooms have its own remote control to the fan, lighting fixture. But this is our primary bedroom. Good size space here. Got our view to the backyard. And we got our water closet here. Linen closet. And, oops. Tub. The separated vanities here, walk-in closet, plenty of space. First vanity, plenty of lighting. tub, standalone tub, second vanity, and our walk-in shower. Okay. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. We have a big laundry room in here. Upstairs makes it nice and convenient for doing laundry and handing them straight to the bedrooms. Dual sink for the shared bathroom. We got our fiberglass install shower tub combo, and I kind of like this bedroom here, the third one tucked in here, along with our remote control light and fan fixture, and good size walk-in closet for a third bedroom. And this bedroom faces the street here, as you see the car going by. Let's go ahead and check out our fourth bedroom after we take a peek in our linen closet. So this is our fourth bedroom with good size walk-in closet. Very soft carpet, fresh paint. Smells good in here. Again, high ceilings, very comfortable, wide spaces here. And we're going to take a peek into the backyard before getting into our best feature here. I would say bonus feature you don't see every day, but nice covered patio. Nice barbecue pit with the sink. Low maintenance backyard. Got your turf and desert landscaping, neighbor dog just saying hello. Okay. Okay. Here is the feature that you don't see every day. Perfect for your large family. Maybe you have your mother-in-law. Maybe you just want to have a rental. Here is the separated casita. So this casita is not just a bedroom, but you have their own living room area with your fridge, dishwasher, microwave, and check that out. You got your own door entryway for the bedroom, full shower, toilet, vanity. Check that out. Your own washer dryer right in your walk-in closet. And again, nice fixtures here. You have your own slider access to the backyard. You have the access to the main living room area, and you have access to the garage, shared garage, as you see the double entry on that side, and you have your own private entry right here. So I think that is a awesome feature here that you don't see every day. Let me know what you guys think of this listing here. Again, we're in the Silverado Ranch area, very close to the South Point Casino, and this is the Grand Point Phase 3 community. Very quiet neighborhood. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.